Hendrickson is a leading global manufacturer and supplier of parabolic and multi-leaf springs. Over the past 100 years, we've significantly optimized springs for ride comfort, weight, and durability. Today, Hendrickson has developed snake spring technology, the next step in spring innovation. With this new technology, a single snake leaf spring can handle the work of traditional 2 or 3 leaf spring configurations. Let's look at how this innovation works. This is a traditional steel leaf spring configuration on the rear axle of a modern, light 5.5-ton commercial vehicle. Typically, 2 or 3 leaf springs are mounted on the axle to provide a comfortable ride and to handle high payloads. During lower load situations, the first leaf is engaged to cushion and absorb vehicle input. Depending on the load, the second and/or third leaf are engaged. These helper leaves increase the stiffness of the spring package while supporting the higher load, keeping the vehicle stable during cornering. In both load situations, the benefits to the driver are comfort and stability of the payload. The leaf spring is affixed with a rubber bushing to the front eye on the chassis with a front hanger bracket. This isolates vibrations, allows turning, and attaches the spring to the chassis. On the rear, the spring is mounted with a shackle, allowing the eye to move during vertical spring travel. This compensates for spring length changes which happen when the spring is deflecting. Additionally, the leaf spring package is connected to the axle with a U-bolt clamp. This new state-of-the-art snake spring technology, developed by Hendrickson, provides durability, weight savings, and reduced costs. Our target was to achieve enhanced spring performance compared to the traditional 2 or 3 leaf spring package using only 1 leaf. As core elements in the development, we added an additional radius bend in the area of the rear eye in the opposite direction to the regular spring bend. This eliminated the shackle and allowed us to secure the rear eye bushing directly to the spring hanger bracket. The added spring bend, combined with the fixed but rotating rear eye, act as an additional spring in the horizontal direction. The wheel forces deflect the spring in the vertical direction. During deflection, the spring changes the position of the leaf center vertically. This movement is straightening the regular spring arc of the spring, and with more load, is deflecting the initial arc to a reverse camber. Together with this vertical movement, the spring center is rotating around the spring eye axis. The combination of these movements results in a horizontal movement. The front portion of the spring is designed to be stiffer, and both spring eyes are secure, so the movements deflect the counterbend on the rear portion of the spring, and this configuration acts as an additional spring. This configuration adds rigidity to the spring's vertical deflection, resulting in a progressive spring rate. The spring stiffness increases gradually with increased loads compared to the abrupt stiffness change in a conventional spring package. Snake springs are available in multiple configurations, with ride performance parameters tailored to the customer. The advantages are clear. Reducing spring leaves reduces weight without compromising performance or durability. Hendrickson's snake spring technology: durable, flexible, stress-resistant, and cost-efficient. Innovation built in.